Good morning. This is take two because my microphone was shut off somehow because cats like to dance on my laptop. Anyway, welcome back from spring break. I just wanted to do a quick video intro so you would know what the plan is for this week. So for this week, we're going to talk about the Korean War. And I have a New York Times news article that's just like a brief, quick introduction to the Korean War. Which takes place 1950, 1953. Excuse me. And then I have a documentary video that I want you to watch. And I know it's long. I'm sorry it's 2 hours, but it is phenomenal. Okay. It covers from our intervention in Korea all the way to the present. And it covers up through the Trump administration and Kim Jong-un and his nuclear testing and our relationships with the two Koreas. And it's just so important for you to understand as a voter, as an American citizen, and it's going to be part of your choice for the final exam / final essay. So the Korean War the Cold War really determine even now our foreign policy. We are still living in the post-Cold War world. And so again, I really want you to watch this video, watch a section, take a break, get a drink. Don't watch it and zone out because you'll miss something. There's so much good information here. And it's really phenomenal. It's presented in an unbiased way. It's just, here's the facts. Here's what happened. So, please contact me through Remind if you need me. I am happy to respond anytime if I'm awake. You can send me anything, question, joke, oh my God, I'm bored, please talk to me. Whatever it is, I'm here. Hit me up. And so there is this document that I'm going to share with you in Blackboard. And it's basically to help you kind of track the people. Oh, it's moving my video, not my document. Okay, well, this is the document. And it tracks the people, the events, the long term, the people that we installed in South Korea. I mean, there's some war crimes that happen. It's some really, really good stuff. So, yeah. Anyway, please enjoy. Ask me any questions, whatever you need. And that's what we're going to do this week. If you guys like the discussion boards and you want me to go back to that format, just let me know. I'm happy to do that if that's what you want. But they're incredibly hard to grade. And I mean, I know it's really inauthentic and I'm just not sure what else to do about that. Like I said, I'm still waiting for permission from Frederick County to do live videos. For those that want to do it, they wouldn't be mandatory. But my hands are tied until we get permission to do that. It's with legal. So anyway, hope you have a great day and hope you're doing all right. And yeah, that's all. There's a cat butt. Yay. Have a good day.